Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the Morningstar candlestick pattern. But before we start learning about this pattern, we have to know an important concept called gap up opening and gap down opening. And at the end we learn about the trade setup for the Morningstar candle with a practical stock. So watch this video till the end. And if you hear this voice for the first time, don't forget to press that red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to get interesting finance and share market videos. Now let's get started. But what is a gap in the chart? Some of you already know about this concept, but for those who don't know about it, let me tell you in a simple way. When a stock is closes at some point and not open at the same point where it closed, then we call it a gap. If it opens higher than the closing price, then it is known as gap up. This is the daily chart of Bajaj Finance, and here this is the gap up. It closed at 2390 and on the next day it opens at 2505. But why this happens? It happens when the buyers are willing to buy the stock at higher price. So it signifies the buyers are enthusiastic, means it's a bullish signal. But if it opens lower than the closing price, then it is known as gap down. This is the daily chart of Nifty 50 and here this is the gap down. This is closed at 9860 and on the next day it opens at 9533. And clearly it signifies the sellers are active here. So it's a bearish signal. Okay, now we are all set to learn the Morningstar candle. Morningstar requires a 3 candle to evolve, and it's a down trade reversal pattern, means it's a bullish pattern. This is the picture of the Morningstar candle. As like the other bullish patterns, it also appears at the bottom end of a down trend. Now let's understand the market sentiment behind this. Market is in a downtrend, so bears are in absolute control. On the first day, the market opened as expected and make a new low with a long red candle. And on the second day, there is a gap down opening, but nothing much happens during the day. And on the third day, the market opens with a gap up and able to close above the first candle. So now the bulls are ready to take the control of the market, and so it's a good buying opportunity. Now move to the interesting part of the video, the trade setup. For this pattern, both the risk takers and risk avoider can initiate the trade by confirming the fourth candle is above the previous day's candle. This is the daily chart of Nifty 50 and here this is the Morningstar pattern. So we can make a buy order at here around the closing price, and our stop loss will be the low, means the lowest low of these 3 candles, like here. So I hope you got a clear idea about this pattern and now you are ready to make profit out of it. But if you still have any doubt, feel free to ask me in the comments. And in our upcoming video, we are going to learn about this bearish version, the evening star pattern. So don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and press that bell icon to get notified. If this video had any value to your life, hit that big fat like button and share this video to your family, friends and colleagues. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.